Welcome to InfiniteUniall. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most sobering and pressing environmental crises of our time, the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Often depicted as a literal island of trash, its reality is far more insidious and complex, and its implications for our planet are profound. Firstly, what exactly is the Great Pacific Garbage Patch? It's not a solid floating landmass you could walk on. Instead, it's a vast, dispersed accumulation zone of marine debris, primarily plastics. It's located in the North Pacific Ocean. This enormous vortex of trash is formed by a system of circulating ocean currents called the North Pacific Gyre, which effectively acts as a giant whirlpool, trapping debris within its slow-moving center. The patch is often described as having two distinct parts: the Eastern Pacific Garbage Patch, located between California and Hawaii, and the Western Pacific Garbage Patch, which extends from Japan to the Hawaiian Islands. While large items do float, the vast majority of the debris consists of microplastics, tiny fragments less than 5 millimeters in size, making the ocean water look like a cloudy, plastic-infused soup rather than a visible island. Next, let's explore its staggering size and composition. The actual size is difficult to quantify precisely due to its dispersed nature and the prevalence of microplastics. But estimates are truly mind-boggling. Research by the Ocean Cleanup Foundation in 2018 indicated that the patch covers an estimated area of 1.6 million square kilometers, roughly 3 times the size of continental France or twice the size of Texas. It's estimated to contain over 1.8 trillion pieces of plastic, weighing approximately 80,000 metric tons. This plastic ranges from discarded fishing nets, which account for a significant portion of the mass and are particularly deadly to marine life, to everyday items like plastic bottles, caps, packaging, and myriad unrecognizable fragments. Now, let's look into the devastating ecological impact. The plastic in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch poses an existential threat to marine ecosystems. Marine animals, from tiny zooplankton to large whales, frequently mistake plastic fragments for food, leading to internal injuries, blockages in their digestive systems, and starvation. Seabirds, turtles, and marine mammals become entangled in larger debris, especially abandoned fishing gear known as ghost gear, resulting in injury, drowning, or strangulation. The plastic also leaches harmful chemicals into the ocean, and it acts as a raft for invasive species, potentially disrupting delicate ecosystems in new areas. Furthermore, as plastics break down into microplastics, they enter the food chain, eventually making their way up to species consumed by humans, raising concerns about potential health impacts for us. Lastly, let's consider the solutions and future outlook. Addressing the Great Pacific Garbage Patch requires a multifaceted approach. Cleanup efforts, such as those pioneered by the Ocean Cleanup, aim to actively remove plastic from the gyre using advanced technologies. While these efforts are crucial for removing existing plastic, environmental experts universally agree that the ultimate solution lies in prevention. This includes drastically reducing our reliance on single-use plastics, improving waste management systems globally, promoting recycling and circular economy models, and developing biodegradable alternatives. Public awareness campaigns are also vital to change consumer behavior and pressure industries and governments for more sustainable practices. The scale of the problem is immense, but the commitment to protecting our oceans is growing, offering a glimmer of hope that through concerted global action, we can eventually diminish this floating monument to human waste and restore the health of our invaluable marine environments. Please like, share, and follow or subscribe to InfiniteUniall.